how to send large video files on Discord. You open up your Discord, and if you try to send large videos or large video files on Discord, then it's not possible, right? So if you go with the plus, which is on the bottom left, and if you try to upload some videos, then you won't be able to send the large videos. So to send the large videos, what you can do is just simply go back and go with your Google or your browser and search for Imgur and tap on the imgur.com. And here you need to upload the video. You can just simply go with upload, which is on the top left, tap on that, and then you can choose media picker and then try to upload your video. Select the video and try to upload it here. Now after uploading, what you need to do is just simply go with copy link, which is here on the left side. Tap on copy link. Once you've copied the link, now you need to go back to your Discord and go with your chats or go with your servers, and here you can paste. And once you've pasted, you will have your image or your video. That's it. That's how you can upload or send large video files on your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.